Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to charge Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra. So if you want to charge your Galaxy Tab, all you need to do is pretty much use the USB cable. I have mine over here. Of course, this is not the original one, but it does work as well. So if for some reason you don't want to use the original cable, or you don't have the original cable, then you can still use a replacement. So plug it into the USB-C port, which is located on the right side over here. There we go. And then of course you want to connect the other end to either your PC, because you can also use PC for that. So let me actually do that. I'm gonna connect to PC, and in a sec you should see that I can now charge. Now in addition to that, of course, you can use the power adapter. It can be pretty much any power adapter. Most of them work, if not all of them. Of course, there are some recommended chargers that you can use, like for instance, ideally you want to use a power adapter directly from Samsung, so you want to purchase the original Samsung power adapter for that. However, it is not really necessary, so over here I have my Xiaomi 33 watts charger or power adapter that I can use in order to connect and charge my Galaxy Tab as well. There we go, it is connected, and as you can see, we are now charging the Galaxy Tab. So both ways work. Like I said, you can use the power adapter if you have one, or you can use a PC. However, of course, PC is a little bit slower. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!